Building an application, we use many components. And all those components can be divided into two big groups: class components and functional components. Class components are defined as ECMAScript 6 classes. They extend React component class and use render method to return the UR elements, in our case logo image and logo text. Functional components are defined as JavaScript functions. They can take props as input and return the UR elements, in our case again the logo image and the logo text. Which one do we use more? To answer this question, we have to return a bit to the history. When React was first introduced in 2013, it mainly relied on class components, which basically cared about everything. Functional components were used only as simple stateless UI components. 2019, big change, hooks, which significantly changed the way how developers work. Functional components suddenly gained the ability to use state and lifecycle methods, which made them much more powerful than before. Nowadays, functional components with hooks have become the preferred way of building components in React. And there are a few reasons for that. First, simplicity and readability. As we already have seen, functional components are just JavaScript functions. Once you work with JavaScript, you can easily understand functional components. Second, reusability. Functional components aren't just reusable as components, they stand out because they let us reuse logic easily, thanks to hooks. Third, already mentioned hooks. They are just simple functions but have great power, and they promote cleaner and more readable code. The next one is binding. Binding is an issue with the scope in class components, and it used to be a big frequently discussed topic during interviews. This, inside a function, can change. So event handlers and custom methods often need explicit binding to refer correctly to the component. Advantage of functional components? No issue with the binding because they employ lexical scoping. The last advantage of functional components I would like to mention is performance. While not universally agreed upon, functional components often outperform class components, mainly due to optimized hooks. So, what about the class components? They are not used so much nowadays, mostly just in older projects or in projects using third-party libraries which were not updated.